Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to design a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. A YouTube thumbnail is a crucial element in attracting viewers to your video. So let's get started. The first step is to log into your Canva account. If you haven't signed up for the Canva yet, I will also leave the link in the description as well to sign up for the Canva. So make sure to check that out. Once you're logged in, you can select from a range of pre-designed templates or create your own custom graphic. For example, we will search here for the templates for the thumbnail. Just click on the YouTube thumbnail. And there you have tons of options and the templates to choose from. You can simply just select one of the template and add your own custom text or design to it. Or you can follow me and create a new design. Just click on it and select this one, the presentation. It has the similar pixels for the YouTube thumbnail. Now it's time to add your content. You can use the text or the elements or the photos that are provided by the Canva. You can add an image or a screenshot from your video. Choose an image that will give your viewers a good idea of what your video is about. Make sure the image is high quality and engaging. I will use this image. Or you can upload your own image from here. I'm going to resize it so it will cover all of the dimensions. Now let's add the shape for this background. I'm going to change the color of this one. Now let's add your text. Always use a bold text in your thumbnail, so this will attract your audience. Now use the uppercase letter. And search for the thick or bold font. This one is looking good. Let's add some stroke to it. Now let's change the font color. Use the font and the color that is clearly visible to your audience. Let's use the element and add some arrowhead. Let's choose this arrow and put it right here. Now let's flip it vertical, just like that. Also, I'm going to flip it horizontal. And place it right here. I will also change the color of this one. I will choose the same color as this one. And that's it. You can add the YouTube icon here as well. Once your thumbnail is completed, now it's time to download and upload to your YouTube video. To save it, just simply click on File and click on Download. Use the PNG or the JPEG format to download your image. Just click on Download. Now you can upload this thumbnail to your YouTube video by selecting the custom thumbnail in your video YouTube setting. And that's it. In just few easy steps, you have learned how to design a YouTube thumbnail in Canva. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.